Alrighty then, welcome everybody to our first video in the series, minus the intro video, of course. This series will be about us tearing this garage apart, obviously, and trying to make something out of it. As far as this video, mostly just tearing out the ceiling here. Has a bunch of wet particle board, I guess you would call it, from sort of the roof leaking in various areas. So we're just, first things first, tearing all that stuff out. Of course, we decide to do this in the end of June, 1st of July, so it's a nice warm 95 degrees up here, especially on top of the ladder. And this is the nice little mess we got to clean up after tearing down the first half. Wasn't long after the first half we get to move over to the right side of the garage and work on the rest of it here. Try not to knock over any of these lights, and we'll of course have to go back later and remove all these staples and nails and things like that so we can prepare for the future ceiling.
Doing good, baby.
Thank you, buddy.
Down. Alright, one of the first steps of garage to house conversion, making trips to the landfill. We've got our first load.
Mm-hmm.
You can't turn your camera around on here.
No, I noticed that the other day.
We need to get a vlogging camera. We've got our first load here, ready to go. This is the ceiling that was partially covering up the roof that leaks, and so it's wet and it's got to go. But now we've got a pretty good start on seeing kind of the status of the roof and ready to do some more repairs.
Hey baby,
Hey,
inspecting the roof.
what'd you find?
Well, I found special fittings, so I'm gonna need a bit, not just a hammer. And these roof vents can be reused, so that's good.
It's great. Anything we can reuse and recycle.
And then we can just pile all this stuff up, see if anybody wants it. But it's gonna be easy to put down new boards and new shingles.
Why you say that?
That's good. Just because this looks really easy to take off.
Okay.
I'm gonna look at the chimney and then I'm gonna come down.
All right.